Hello, Mr. Holt's class. Today, we are going to learn how to estimate capacity using customary measurement. We will be using cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to start off with some vocabulary. Estimate. To find the value that is close enough to the right answer, usually with some thought or calculation involved. Remember, if a problem asks us to estimate or uses the word about, we are going to estimate before we add, subtract, multiply, or divide. That just allows us, when we use those operations, it makes it just a little bit easier. Customary units. The customary system of measurement is defined as a set of weights and measures used for measuring length, weight, capacity, and temperature, also known as the U.S. customary system. Length is distance, how far from end to end, or from one point to another. We use inches, feet, and yards. Weight, how heavy something is. We use ounces, pounds, and tons. And today we're going to learn about capacity, the amount that something can hold. And we will be looking at cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Let's do some practice. These items here can hold about 1 cup. There's a box of school milk and a measuring cup with 1 cup labeled on it. Those can hold 1 cup. These items can hold about 1 pint, a dinner glass, and a small carton of ice cream. 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. These items can hold about 1 quart, a small container of milk, and motor oil. 1 quart equals 2 pints. These items can hold about 1 gallon, a family-size milk, and a small bucket. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Now, if we look at our customary unit of measure capacity chart, we will see a lot of letters here. But what we want to notice is that the smallest customary unit are cups. And remember what we said, that 2 cups equal 1 pint, and 2 pints equal 1 quart, and 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. And we'll see that on our chart. So again, we have 2 cups equal 1 pint. Then remember, 2 pints equal 1 quart. 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. Now, another way that we can remember that is the story of King Gallon. This story takes place in the land of customary measurement. In this land, there lived a king named Gallon. King Gallon had 4 queens. Each queen had 2 princesses. Each princess had 2 cats. They all lived happily ever after in the land of customary measurement. Now you're going to need to know this chart, and you can either remember the basic way of 2 cups equals a pint, 2 pints equals a quart, and 4 quarts equal a gallon, or you can remember it by using the story of King Gallon. Let's do some practice. Which unit of measurement would you use to measure how much liquid could be held in this container? Is it cups, pints, quarts, or gallons? Hopefully you said cup. Which unit of measurement would you use to measure how much liquid would be held in this container? Water in a bathroom sink. So if you were to fill your sink up with water, what would you use? Would you use cups? Would you use pints? Would you use quarts or gallons? Hopefully you said gallons. What about shampoo in a bottle? Which unit of measurement would you use to measure how much liquid could be held in your shampoo bottle? Quarts. What about water in a pool? What would you use? Hopefully you said gallons. Now remember, estimate. It's to find the value that is close enough to the right answer, usually with some thought or calculation. We always want to estimate before we add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Customary units. The customary system of measurement is defined as a set of weights and measures used for measuring length, weight, capacity, and temperature, also known as the U.S. customary system. And today we learned about capacity, the amount that something can hold. We have a cup, which is about like your school milk container. A pint, which is a container of small ice cream. A quart would be a small container, a skinny container of milk. And a gallon, which is your family size milk. Hopefully you learned something. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.